I went on a trip. I went on a trip. I was very excited. I was very excited. I packed my bags. I packed my bags. I took some clothes. I took some clothes. I took my favorite toy. I took my favorite toy. I got into the car. I got into the car. We drove for a long time. We drove for a long time. I looked out the window. I looked out the window. I saw many things. I saw many things. I saw trees and houses. I saw trees and houses. I saw big mountains. I saw big mountains. We stopped for food. We stopped for food. I ate a sandwich. I ate a sandwich. We kept driving. We kept driving. We reached the beach. We reached the beach. I saw the big blue sea. I saw the big blue sea. I felt the sand. I felt the sand. It was warm. It was warm. I played in the water. I played in the water. I built a sand castle. I built a sand castle. I collected seashells. I collected seashells. The sun was shining. The sun was shining. I felt so happy. I felt so happy. It was a memorable trip. It was a memorable trip. I will always remember it. I will always remember it.